Alrighty, boys and girls, this is Chapter 10, Section 5, Select an Appropriate Display. Now, basically what you're looking at here, this vocab list, this is everything you need to know for this section. Basically, you need to be able to look at a scenario, either read it or look at the data, and choose an appropriate display for it. Now, the ones with the little stars right here, they're the ones that I really want you to focus on. Make sure you know them. You should know all of them, but these ones right here, you really should know these. So, a bar graph. A bar graph shows the number of items in specific categories. So, let's say a car dealer wanted to list the cars he had separated by color. Every color was a category. So let's say like 5 blue cars, 10 yellow cars, 3 red cars, and so forth. We would use a bar graph. Box plot, which is what we just got done doing in the last section. A box plot is used to show the measures of variation for data. So basically, if you have a whole lot of numbers jumbled together, you would use a box plot. It would show you the median amount, the upper quartile, lower quartile, and so forth. A circle graph. Circle graph is used when you're comparing parts to a whole. Another way to think about this, anytime you're dealing with percents, for the most part, circle graph. So with a circle graph, everything's going to add up to 100%. Double bar graph, you really don't have to concentrate on that too much, but you're going to compare 2 sets of categories. A histogram. Histogram you definitely should know. This one, it's similar to a bar graph, except for instead of having categories on your x-axis, like the car dealer with red, yellow, green cars, you're going to have intervals on the bottom. So let's say you asked people, how much food do you eat in pounds each night? And you had maybe, 2 people say they eat between 0 and 1 pound of food each night. And some more people say they eat between 2 and 3 pounds. And you had a bunch of people say they ate between 4 and 5, and so forth. What you would do is you would have the intervals across the bottom of the graph, and you would list how many people fit in each interval. The line graph shows a change in a period over time. So if you want to have a change in period over time, use a line graph. And a line plot shows the frequency of data with a number line. So you should know what these graphs are from previous sections, and now you know when it's appropriate to use them. All right, best of luck. See you in class, boys and girls.